In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best 4K drones available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the drones list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the drones mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. FIMI X8 Mini Camera 249 grams Drone. Featuring a 249 grams class ultralight and foldable design, the palm-sized FIMI X8 Mini lets you feel free to fly wherever you are. Use its multiple shooting modes to capture unique moments from the sky. There are 2 batteries. The weight of the drone with the standard battery is 258 grams approx. The weight of the drone with the Pro battery is 245 grams approx. A newly upgraded TDMA image transmission system ensures stabler transmissions and optimized sensitivity. With an 8 km transmission range, the landscape is always with you. The further you can fly, the farther you can see. Small but powerful, with 30 minutes of battery life, the FIMI X8 Mini lets you create the blockbuster of your dreams. The Type-C charging port on the battery allows for 9V3A rapid charging. Charge your backup batteries without a hassle while flying the drone. The FIMI X8 Mini combines a lightweight 3-axis mechanical gimbal with the latest professional control algorithm for a much better accuracy of 0.005 degrees. Excellent performance means stable recording. The camera features 4K 30fps video and a highly dynamic range, meaning clearer footage. Videos are shot in the H.265 HEVC codec, with F-Log and DNG image format supported. Enjoy a professional-grade visual experience, whether you are sending a video to a friend or editing your next blockbuster. The drone can connect to your mobile phone via Wi-Fi even without the remote controller. The high bandwidth, low latency, and strong anti-interference 5.8 GHz high-frequency signal creates up to 100 meters of real-time HD image transmission. Quickly record any beautiful moment you don't want to miss. It has also level 5 wind resistance, smart tracking modes, one-tap video, powerful flight plan shooting, time-lapse, live streaming, precision landing, app controls, multiple safety functions for a safe flight and more features. Safety functions for a safe flight and more features. Safety Number 4. SJRC F11's 4K Pro Drone. This new F11 Pro quadcopter drone is a GPS camera drone that is primarily designed for aerial photography. It features the cutting-edge 2-axis gimbal and image stabilization technology. The battery life quite impressive, and you can fly it for over 30 minutes, with all features in use. You can confidently cover a distance as far as 10 kilometers without losing a solid connection to your gadget. It also features a precise GPS and comes back home when the battery is already low or when the signal is poor. Furthermore, this drone has an ergonomic design that allows you to hold your smartphone conveniently. It's foldable, low profile, and extremely handy, making it one of the best on-the-go drones on the market today. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is one of the most fun drones ever made. What is of utmost importance while flying a drone is the ease of takeoff and landing, as well as the comfort with which it can be navigated. This drone eases out all those issues and makes handling it a breezy task. The Mavic Air 2 is an ultra-portable drone that can be folded to make it as small, wide, and compact as a smartphone. The dedicated remote controller has an ergonomic design to hold your smartphone for maximum convenience. The drone has stunning camera features to give you splendid footage. With this drone, you can shoot top-notch high-quality videos, which makes this drone perfect for professional work or office projects. With a range of 10 kilometers and a maximum flight time of 34 minutes, this is one drone you need to get if you are passionate about magnificent shots. If you are passionate about magnificent shots. If you are passionate about magnificent shots. If you are passionate. Number 2. FIMI X8 Mini Camera Drone. Xiaomi truly needs no introduction. If you love gadgets, then you would know about this innovative brand that brings to us highly advanced gadgets at super affordable prices. Just like any of its gadgets, this FIMI X8 SE drone is truly majestic. The drone features a lightweight 3-axis mechanical gimbal with the latest professional control algorithms. This helps you get ultra-smooth videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. Apart from that, the drone is also equipped with a professional umbrella image processor that gives you splendid photos each time. It also boasts of an aerodynamic body, higher efficiency motor, and propeller combo. The high-density intelligent battery is also excellent. This drone has a range of 5 kilometers and can stay up in the air for 33 minutes continuously. It has a foldable and portable design, making it easy to carry everywhere. Without a doubt, this truly is an excellent drone. Without a doubt, this truly is an excellent drone. Without a doubt, this truly is an excellent drone. Number 1. F11 Pro Professional 4K Drone. The 2021 new F11 Pro quadcopter drone is built for every adventurous hobbyist out there. It can shoot images with a stunning 4K visual quality and record videos 82.9K resolution. Since it is jam-packed with flying aids, you can easily control your gadget and learn how to maneuver like a pro within a few hours. Apart from being coined a photography drone, this product is also made for racing drone fans. It boasts brushless solid motors that allow you to fly at high speeds that averagely account for 43.2 kilometers per hour. There are speed modes, flight modes, and auto-return features as well. You can count on the GPS positioning system for a hassle-free hovering that can reach as far as 1,200 meters with a 500 meters video transmission range. As for the battery, expect an uninterrupted drone flying session for about 25 minutes. Drone flying session for about 25 minutes. Drone flying session for about 25 minutes. Drone flying session for about 25 minutes.